Are you ready to take a test based upon a chapter whose name is mentioned in the title of this video? If yes, then we can continue. How to go about this test? First of all, questions from this question paper will appear on your screen one by one. Read question number 1, pause the video and write the answer for that question. You can write your answer only in a form of keywords. No need to write the entire answer. Once you are done with your first answer, you can restart your video. Then next question will pop up on your screen. You have to pause your video again after question number 1 and then you have to start writing your answer 2. And this cycle you have to complete for all the questions. Once you have completed all your answers and your entire paper is over, I'll be back to discuss the answer and marking scheme with you all. Now you have to become your own teacher and evaluate yourself. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. I am Praveen Sonavne. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Now we are going to start with our answers and you can check how many answers you have got right and how many answers you have got wrong. So here we go with our first question. Here we have to write answer only in one word. A hydrocarbon containing 6 atoms of hydrogen. So what you have to do is 6 hydrogen. So this is based upon formula CnH2n plus 2. So hydrogens are 6. So how many carbons will be there? Okay. So carbon will be 2. And if you are not okay with this, what you can do is carbon, we know that carbon valency is 4. So each valency here is satisfied by other hydrogens. Okay. And this carbon will be attached to the another carbon and tetravalency, valency 4 is satisfied by the hydrogen and carbon is attached to other carbon by a single bond. So C2 and H6, what is the name of this compound?
Ethane.
Ethane, it is ethane. Monkeys eat peeled banana. M, methane, 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon eth. So eth and all single bond. So ane. Okay, correct answer is ethane. One word or few words. So inorganic containing carbon. So one was carbon dioxide and other one is carbon monoxide. इसके अलावा भी हो सकता है. If you want, if you have any other answer, you can ask me. किसी ने कुछ आंसर लिखा इसके अलावा? But you have to write answer in word. That means you are going to write it as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Answer has to be written in words, because they have clearly mentioned. So if you write only formula, so your answer will not be accepted. Third question, a crystalline form of carbon other than diamond and graphite. There are 3 crystalline forms. In crystalline form we have 3 different allotropes of carbon. Number 1 is diamond, second one is graphite and third one is fullerene. So this is the answer. This is the answer. All right. Any doubt or should I move on to next question? The purest form of charcoal. This most of you got it right. This is sugar charcoal. Am I right? CH, charcoal. I saw most of you got this right. Chemical formula of dolomite. I never expected कि so many of you will get this answer right. But again, most of you got this answer right. Can you tell me what is the answer? MgCO3 dot.
Sir, but what do you call that dot?
डॉट को डॉट ही बोलते हैं. जनरली सॉल्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ. नहीं आइदर यू गेट 1 mark or you get 0. No half. Even if you write CaCO3 first and MgCO3 afterwards, still it is a wrong. And this is very important question. See, a salt is made up of one metal part and one non-metal part. So here we have Mg and Ca, two metal parts and non-metal part also. Okay, so दो metal है तो इसको हम लोग डबल सॉल्ट बोलेंगे या मिक्स सॉल्ट बोलेंगे. एज ऑफ नाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस वन. ओके, व्हेन यू हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस इट इज कॉल्ड आइदर अ मिक्स सॉल्ट और अ डबल सॉल्ट. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट आंसर? दिस इज अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ एलोट्रॉप. ओके, कंप्लीट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एलोट्रॉप बाय striking out the incorrect answer. You have to write incorrect answer, not the correct answer.
Incorrect.
चलो नो प्रॉब्लम. डोंट वरी I'll accept the correct answer. Okay, तो सिक्स्थ वाला is element. Did you get it right? And seventh one is different and eighth one is chemical. Am I right? Any doubt, any difficulty? If you don't agree with my answer, you can let me know. So 3 marks here, 1 mark each. Fill in the blank. This was fairly easy. This is Coke. Answer is Coke. The amorphous form of a carbon that has content up to 70 to 90%. Okay, carbon content is 70 to 90%. What is this? Bituminous coal. Different types of coal.
Sir, I wrote this coal.
Coal wrong hai. If you write bituminous also, I'll accept the answer. Bituminous लिखा. This is second last ना. इसके बाद anthracite है. 90 plus. बराबर है ये. So refer to your notes. Notes है तो निकालो, check करो.
Sir, I only wrote bituminous.
चलो ठीक है, I'll accept this answer. अगर bituminous coal लिखा, that is what expected. Okay. तो एग्जाम में दोनों वर्ड लिखो, बट स्टिल इफ यू हैव रिटन ओनली वन आंसर, आई विल टेक दैट. ओके, आई विल एक्सेप्ट दैट आंसर. चलो 11th वाला. दिस वाज फेयरली इजी एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट इट राइट. नाउ in this diagram, write the name of the fuel used. So there are two options. One is turpentine oil, right? Another one is the kerosene. Okay, kerosene or kerosene oil also you can write. Anyone, okay? Write the name. Only one name is expected. So even if you write anyone, you will get it right. This is soot or lamp black. Either lamp black or soot, any one answer will be accepted.
Sir, it was written in the question only.
Oil lamp है, किधर दिया है? Oil lamp है, क्वेश्चन में नहीं लिखा है.
Sir, making of lamp black.
Lamp black. Okay, चलो ठीक है. तो this is called spilling of the beans. So answer was already there. लेकिन आप लोगों ने ये लिखा है तो you will get a correct answer for your observation. 13th वाला, laboratory preparation. Marble chip. Marble means calcium carbonate. Reacts with what? HCl. There was a question कि what cannot be used? Sulfuric acid. So HCl is used. And what is the product? There are 3 products. First is the salt, CaCl2. What is the second product?
H2O.
कार्बोनेट. whenever there is a carbonate, ये 2 फिक्स प्रोडक्ट होता है, वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. ओके, CO2. इज दिस बैलेंस? हाउ हैव यू बैलेंस दिस?
Sir, 2 at HCl.
1, 2, 1, 1.
So by putting this 2 here, this get balanced. 1 2 1 1. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Calcium 2, calcium 2. Okay, fine. This was easy. कितने डिटेल में किया था हम लोगों ने क्लास में. Preparation of carbon dioxide from metal bicarbonate. This is a heating carbon dioxide from metal. Which metal carbonate? Calcium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate मतलब hydrogen carbonate. Is it clearly visible this color or should I change the color?
Sir, it is visible. Sir, I did took calcium.
फिर कौन सा लिया? दूसरा मेटल बोला है तो यू कैन टेक एनी मेटल. पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, सोडियम.
Yeah.
So what you get? What are the products? Here calcium carbonate plus water plus CO2.
Water plus CO2.
I think सोडियम में ये दिया था, टेक्स्ट नोट्स में ये दिया है सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. आई थिंक इसका वैलेंसी गड़बड़ है. कैल्शियम का वैलेंसी टू बाइकार्बोनेट का 1, so it will be this if you use. Here sodium का valency is 1 and bicarbonate का valency is also 1, so no crisscross. We have done valencies and this formula crisscross, a great detail in our class. So sodium carbonate plus water plus CO2. How do you balance the second one?
2, 1, 1.
Okay, it is balanced by putting 2 here.
Yeah.
This calcium is 1, this is calcium 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen is 2 and 1 and carbon is 2. So this is cell balance. ऊपर वाला cell balance है. Foam वाला. How many of you got this correct?
I'm not sure.
Here reactants are inside the foam based fire extinguisher. You have a ingredient which is sodium bicarbonate, baking soda plus aluminium sulfate. What is formula for aluminium sulfate as per its valency?
Al2.
And SO4 3 because valency of aluminium is 3. And what are the products on reacting this? A foam is formed which is combination of, see, first is Na and last is SO4. So Na 2SO4, valency of SO4 is 2 and valency of sodium is 1. Plus aluminium hydroxide, OH thrice. Okay, this together forms a foam. Plus what is the other product?
CO2.
Plus CO2. So how do you balance this? ये थोड़ा complicated था balance. Okay, method remember ना हम लोगों ने else हम लोगों ने इसको balance किया था. We have balanced this with what? LCM method. Okay, with LCM method क्या था? 6. Okay. Then
6. 1, 3, 2, 6.
3 2 and again 6. Yes, again 6. Generally in equation first we balance metal, then non-metals, then oxygen and finally hydrogen. Here उल्टा जाते हैं हम लोग. First we balance, okay, left hand side and right hand side hydrogen first by taking their numbers on left hand side, right hand side, their LCM. Right ना, बहुत सारे equations लिए थे हम लोगों ने इससे. Iron oxide, iron has variable valency. Valency of iron is plus 2 or Fe plus 3. Even when I did this in a class, I have told you in great detail कि here which oxide do you take?
Sir, which is
Carbon monoxide, CO plus. Here you do not use valency 2 वाला iron, you use valency 3 वाला. So oxygen का valency 2, when you crisscross you get 2 here. हाँ, Fe2O3. Very good, Ishwari. And what are the products that you get? Reducing property of carbon monoxide. So reduction is removal of oxygen. So it removes oxygen from the iron and it add carbon monoxide, add oxygen to itself. So CO becomes CO2. Right, so this was reaction. This is not balance. How do you balance this?
Sir, it's 1, 3, 3.
CO is 3 and this is 2 and this is 3. Here balancing is 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
16th I think we have already solved. Then coming to 17th one. Diagram based question. Write any one conclusion. There are two conclusion. Number 1 क्या? carbon dioxide is heavier than air. ठीक है, that is the reason it is heavier than air, so it can be poured into from one jar to the another jar. And the second one, ये use करो.
Non-supporter of combustion.
Yes, it is
Carbon dioxide does not support combustion.
okay, non-supporter of combustion.
Sir, I wrote that carbon dioxide does not support combustion.
चलेगा. और कुछ पूछना है आप लोगों को? माई आंसर इज राइट और रॉन्ग पूछना है तो आस्क मी नाउ. एनी वन यू हैव टू राइट. ये भी लिखा तो भी 1 मार्क, ये भी लिखा तो भी 1 मार्क. 18th one, name any 2 greenhouse gases. This most of you got it right. Most of you got this correct. One is methane, CH4, nitrous oxide. Which was third one? Chlorofluorocarbon. Any 2 you have to write out of 3. Okay, any 2. This is I. Now moving on to
We also had to write the chemical formula.
name है तो name लिखना है, not chemical formula. Write a name लिखकर you can write a chemical formula, but only for chemical formula you will not get the marks. And these are not the rules made by me. I am following whatever council have given us a rule. Okay, जो 10th standard का पेपर चेक करते वक्त जो rules होते हैं, I follow only that. Now this is a give reason, and I have seen that student you write this elaborate answer. Elaborate answer is not required. You have to write a keyword. And what are the keywords? Why sulfuric acid is not used? Because in this reaction, one of the products, is it clearly visible or should I change the color? Is it clearly visible? Okay. One of the products is what? Calcium sulfate.
Sulfate.
Okay, which covers.
Sir, I wrote.
Wait. I'll take your answer. Okay, which covers the marble chips. Okay, that is calcium carbonate. Covers and stops the reaction.
Sir,
Wait, I'll take your answer. So this is expected. Okay, what is expected? I want this. Key one product is calcium sulfate. Even if you write a complete reaction, no problem. But that is waste of time. If you have lot of time in the examination, then do that. And it covers this and it covers the reactant calcium carbonate or a marble chip, and then reaction stop because the contact between the reactants are broken, so reaction will stop. Yes, now tell me what answers you have written. I'll tell you whether you will get 1 mark or not.
sir, I have written in points.
हाँ, क्या लिखा बताओ?
Can you check the one?
I'll check and I'll let you know. Now here you have to write answer in points, right? Lime water turns milky when CO2 gas is passed through it. Okay, why? Because it forms. Okay, first part is it forms insoluble. I'll use a different color, lighter color, because it follows insoluble salt. Which is that salt?
Calcium carbonate.
Okay, it forms a white precipitate. Okay, insoluble precipitate is always insoluble. Okay, calcium carbonate. So when you write a statement of a give reason, you are expected to write the complete name. If you want to mention the name of the compound or a salt, you can write it here. Okay, which is a white precipitate. There is no space. A white precipitate, insoluble. Okay, so milky color, so milky. Okay, so milky appearance, and you have to support this with the help of a reaction. तो reaction क्या है? Carbon dioxide react with, so lime water is calcium hydroxide, valency of calcium is 2, hydroxide is 1, so CaOH twice, so what you get is CaCO2. This is precipitate, white in color. हाँ, ये arrow डाला मतलब precipitate. What is the other product?
CaCO3, right?
हाँ, sorry, calcium carbonate is 3. Good, very good. कि आप लोगों का रिएक्शन वाला पार्ट इतना अच्छा है. And what you get is water. Okay, water insoluble. So this gives a milky appearance. Okay, milky appearance या milky color, right? This was first part. And then second part is when you take a product, this product which you have got, and you react it with carbon dioxide, you pass excess of carbon dioxide. Your addition reaction takes place and your product is calcium. What is your product? बताओ. Calcium bicarbonate. Calcium का valency 2. Okay. So this is soluble. Okay, this is soluble in water. Okay, this is soluble in water. So color disappears because of soluble calcium bicarbonate. Milkiness disappear. Okay, this is the expected answer. So these were 20 questions carrying 1 mark each. We have discussed their answers also. Now go through your answer, be your own teacher, correct it and tell me what is your score.